Hello everyone. It's indeed inspiring to see you back again. And we are here in this business analyst series. We are going to help you with step-by-step journey to learn and develop your skills as a business analyst. Here you will learn a lot about how to interact with client, how to capture the user stories, how to document them and produce BRDs and SRS, how you can do the data modeling part, UML modeling, software methodologies, agile, scrum and DevOps, so many and so much things to learn. So I insist you to go through this particular series and get an advantage on business analyst.
We have a concept called as RACI Matrix. So let us try to discuss this particular part and then take some examples and try to solve it. Second part, we'll try to understand on the development life cycles, waterfall methodology, and agile methodology. So we are starting with the RACI Matrix first. Here I have one Excel file, and in this particular Excel file, I have tried to put certain things over here, and let us walk through them and try to understand. So in this Excel file, the first sheet which we have, this first sheet is project sheet, and this project sheet, yeah. So before going ahead, so I'm due to some reason I'm in a hospital. It may happen that some noise may come in between, so just bear that. So yeah, yes. So the first sheet here we have is project. In this particular sheet, we have written the topic or the title of the sheet as RACI Matrix. Then we have project details. So here we have project number, project name, project number, something would be here which uniquely identifies that particular project. So for example, the BRD we are creating for CRM. So I can basically have it as CRM and PRUSSL Prushal TECH Tech and let's say 001. So let's assume that this is the project number and date. I'll put today's date only 14th August, AUGUST August and 2023. So today's date I have put full name of the project. So full name of the project is CUSTOMER customer relationship MANAGEMENT management software SOFTWARE. So customer relationship management software project manager. Okay, so let's say project manager is Suyog LAD. So this is what we have filled. This is very basic and easy to understand, nothing complex. So project matrix, and then we have project details, and then we have written project number, date, and full project name and project manager. This much we have written. Now moving further, so here, this is the RACI table. Before we get into this particular table, let us try to understand from this what exactly is. Yes. So from definitions, let us try to understand. Okay. So project number is assigned by PMO, the project management office, once the project is approved for funding. Basically, once the project is confirmed that this is something which we are going to do, so then project number is assigned. Second thing is project manager. So project manager, the person who is responsible for the successful delivery of the project to time, costs, and quality constraints. So whatever basically time is decided, cost is decided, and with the quality standards, the person who is responsible for ultimately delivering this particular project. So we have written the name of CO, and then full project name, the project name, the name of the person or department. So person name we have put, and department name we have not basically put. So if required, department name can be put. Task. So task is a specific activity, a specific work which a person needs to, which is required inside a project. So that is the task. So these are the things which we will be making use of in this particular sheet. Now, something very important is here, the RACI definitions. So RACI definitions, if you see, responsible, accountable, consulted, information. So there are responsible, accountable, consulted, information. Four things are there. Okay. So the first thing is responsible. So responsible is that person who actually does the work. So let's say there is a task of designing the user interface. One HTML page needs to be designed. So the responsible is basically is for that person who is going to actually design. So let me go to uh, this particular place. Okay, so here we will write certain tasks. So now in this particular case, the first task, this is a table. In this particular case, the first task I will write. Before writing the task, here we can have names. Okay, so SUYGCULATE. So he is from development team. Then we have DIVYNSH Divyansh. Okay, SHARM. So he's again from development team. Then uh, let's say I'm also there. So and then further, let's say we will add here only one name we will add here, somebody who is working as a business analyst. So one name we'll add, and I'm adding Nisha Mahajan, Abhishek Hostley. Okay. So rest of them we can keep them empty as of now. Rest of them we are not using. So here, if there is a task, for example, there is a task of uh, UI DESIGN design for HOME home PAGE homepage. So create UI design for homepage. So if this is the first task to be done, now let us refer like we need to fill out of like here in definition we need to fill who is responsible, who is accountable, who is consultant, and who is informed. These details we need to fill. So with multiple examples we'll try to fill, and then you will be able to understand easily. So now responsible, we'll see the definition of responsible. The person who does the work, so who actually works. So here in this particular case, create UI design. Who will create the UI design? So let's say Devyansh is going to do the UI design. So we will write R under Devyansh. Okay. Then next thing is there. Next thing is that who is going to then the person ultimately answerable for the successful completion of the work package. There should be only one person accountable. So for responsible there can be one or more person. For responsible at least there should be one person or more person. Like if UI designs are, there are so many UI designs to be created. So along with Devyansh there could be some more person, okay, some more people who can do that. So for example, Abhishek is also responsible for designing. So Devyansh and Abhishek are responsible for designing the UI. Now, who is accountable? So as I said, let's say Suyog is the project manager. So Suyog is accountable for this particular task. So I have written A in front of Suyog, but the rule is A cannot come twice. A cannot come for more than one person. So A will be coming only for one person. Okay, not more than that. So only Suyog will remain as accountable. Now, moving next, then consulted, like whom to discuss. Some SME should be there. So to discuss, basically, you can discuss with me. So C would come for Kushal. Okay. So the consultation will be given by Kushal. So C is going to come for Kushal. Now, informed. Uh, Whosoever is remaining, everybody should get informed. So in this particular case, only Nisha is remaining. So Nisha should get informed. But rather Nisha getting informed, she would be informed should be, yes, she should get informed. And apart from that, let's say there is some more person who are at management level who just are involved in this particular department. So they just need to know, like a responsible manager, they just need to know what is the status. So here I will write MANAGER, manager. So some manager is there. So this manager just needs to be informed. So this way, control Z, informed. So there could be more than one person who should be informed about that particular task. Okay. Now I'll take another example and then we will fill. Okay, and then we will again revise. So this is a sheet which you should fill it up, and this is going to help you in order to share the responsibility and in order to bring clarity that who is going to do what. Let's say second task is UNIT unit TESTNG testing of the HOME home PAGE unit testing of the home page. So who's the tester here? So somebody needs to be tester here. So here I will basically write AKASH Akash. So Akash is the tester. So I'll write in bracket TESTER tester. So he's software tester. So in this particular case, who is responsible? So responsible is Akash. The tester is responsible in this particular case. Okay. Now next point is who is accountable? Okay, responsible is Akash. Who is accountable? Because Suyog is managing the whole project, so Suyog will be accountable. So let Suyog only be the accountable. Who will be consulted? Like whom to ask? Again, I can be consulted because I'm SME and I know the that area and domain, so I can be consulted. Yes, and then informed. So multiple people should get informed. So yes, Abhishek can also be should also be informed. Nisha should also be informed. Manager should also be informed. Like all those who are there in that particular project, they should get informed about it. Like what is the status? In the previous case, we did not add tester. So here, tester should also get informed that what is the status of that particular project. So this is how we fill this particular matrix. This is called as RACI matrix, very important for managing out and sharing the responsibilities in any kind of task. So once again, let's go to definitions. So here, a responsible person who does the work, accountable, who basically is answerable, and consulted, SME, whom should get from whom you will get experts whose advice is required while working on a software, and information. So information is informed, that how many people should get informed about the project. So this was a small part of RACI matrix.
If you like this video, please do share it with your friends and those who need it. And don't forget to press the bell icon and also subscribe to our channel so that you can get all the videos notifications readily in your account.